So students, till now we have covered almost all the HTML elements and CSS properties. Okay, so now in today's class we will like create a HTML page or our website using templates. Okay, first we will download our HTML template. Okay, then we will edit it. Okay, so we will first download it from Google. Okay, so what we'll do is, suppose we'll type free HTML templates. Okay, we'll type free HTML templates. Suppose I want to download, like, first we'll, here I know that Colorlib provides the templates. Okay, so I'm using this website's HTML templates. Okay, you can use any website templates. Okay, so I'm using here Colorlib templates. Okay, see, it is colorlib.com. Okay, this provides free website templates and many more. Okay, many more websites are there that provides free HTML templates. So we'll take this Colorlib templates. Okay, so here you can see various HTML templates are there. Okay, see, various templates are present here. You can also search from here, like if we want to, suppose, go to our anything, suppose we'll go to our hotels. Okay, so hotel related templates will come. Okay, suppose we'll go to our e-commerce, then e-commerce like templates will come. Okay, all these are e-commerce templates. Okay, so we'll choose any one of it and we'll practice. Okay, suppose I will choose anyone, like I will choose education. Okay, so I've chosen education. Okay, so you can suppose you can download any one of the templates. Okay, that is, you can also see here from here. Okay, you can see from here. See, three options are coming: download, preview, and remove backlink. So you have to preview the website. So just click on it. Okay, and close this bar. Okay, now you can see how will your website look like. Okay, so you can change the contents here. Okay, just design the design is present here. You can change the all the contents here. Okay, you can also change the CSS. Okay, if you want to. Okay, so suppose you can check from here which site to take. Okay, which template to take. Okay, suppose I will choose this one. Okay, here first I will review it. Okay, I will review it and close this. Okay, so our website or template will look like this. Okay, so now we can also download it. Okay, so we'll go to our template. Okay, so our tutor template is there. We will just download it. Okay, here you will see a zip file will be downloaded. Okay, see, here our zip file is downloaded. Once the download is complete, okay, go to that zip folder. Okay, suppose we will copy and paste it in our htdocs folder. Okay, we'll paste in here. and we'll extract it. We'll extract. Okay. Now you can see tutor folder is present here. Okay. One more folder is present. It will come with tutor. Okay. We don't need this. Okay. We need this tutor. Okay. So here various folders are there. You can like delete this. Mac OS two folders will be present when we will extract this zip folder. Okay. So one is tutor folder and this is for Mac OS. Okay. So we are like creating it in our Windows. Okay. So we'll delete this. Okay. Now we'll go to our tutor folder. You can see various folders are present here. First is CSS. Okay. See in this CSS folder, Bootstrap's library is used. Okay. So you can see various Bootstrap designs are present here. These are the libraries, Bootstrap libraries. Okay, that will be easy to use. Okay, you just have to insert a class name that I have told you in the previous class for grid system. Okay, you just have to insert a class name and your work is done. Okay, you don't have to do any styling. You don't have to put like different divide the columns. Okay, you just have to put a class name and all the columns will be separated according to that class. Okay, so here is Bootstrap. Here you can see fonts. Various fonts are used. Brand Flaticon, Flaticon 2. Okay, here images are present. Okay, you can also insert or delete the images according to your requirement. Okay, here our JS file is there. So these are JS files. See here we have used jQuery. Okay, if you want to insert any like JavaScript, you can also manually insert a folder. Okay, and like insert your JavaScript code there. Okay, here you can see SCSS. Okay, SAS. Okay, various folders are present here. This is for advanced CSS. Okay, suppose when we click onto this index.html, see our site has opened. Okay, so this is our site. Okay, suppose we'll close all this. Okay, so this is now our website. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll open this site in localhost. Okay, so for opening it in localhost, we'll first go to our XAMPP and start our Apache server. Okay, we'll go to our XAMPP control.exe and we'll start our Apache server. Okay, then only it will run on our local host. Okay, so we have started our Apache server. Now we have to like open it in our VS Code. Okay, so we'll open a new window and from there we can select which folder to choose. Okay, suppose we'll choose our desired location. It is in XAMPP htdocs and then the name is tutor. Okay, so we'll select this folder and we'll open it. Okay, now you can see all our folders and files are opened. Okay, so we'll go to our index.html. Okay, so now we'll open it in our localhost. Okay, just type localhost and the desired path that is located in your folder. Okay, so it is inside tutor and now we are inside index.html. So localhost slash the folder name and the file name. Okay, suppose here you can change everything. Okay, because you have the whole code here. You can see you have the whole code here. See, so there are various pages here. Okay, see, this is a multi-page website. One is single page website in which all these things, all the 5 pages is limited to only one page. Okay, it is given only in one page. Like I will give you an example. Suppose this site. Okay, it is it will be all the links will open in one site only. See here you can see our contact us form that we have made. Okay, so this is the contact us form. We have we have practiced it yet. Okay, so you can see home about us. When we'll click on home, it will scroll on top of the page. Okay, that is the home page. We'll go to our about us. So all are in the same page only. See, about us is in the same page. When we'll go to our services, see, it scroll down a little bit. Okay, so our services section has come. Okay, when we go to our work, see, all are in the same page. All links are in the same page. This is called a single page website. Okay, and this is when we click on to the link navigation bar, a new page opened. How can we know a new page opened? Because see here, the address changes. Okay, when we go to our tutorials, see, now our tutorials.html page has opened. When we go to our about page has opened. Okay, so we have created different pages. Okay, for that, see here you will get blog.html, about.html, single.html, main.html. So all are different pages. Okay, so now we can start our styling. Okay, first you can see your style.css page. Okay, see, for every, like, here you can see, like, I can see here about 1200 lines of css is written here. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, so you can use any class name. So you can see for font gray 4 the color is given this, for font gray 5 color is given this. So like this, various classes are given for different styles. Okay, so you can also change this. Okay, I will recommend you not to change this. Okay, if there is more requirement, okay, an urgent requirement, so you can change the css styling. So you can adjust the css from here. Okay, now we'll come to our JS folder. Okay, here you can see bootstrap JS and jQuery JS we have used. Okay, this is the main JS. Okay, here we have written the JS using our jQuery. Okay, here we have used this dollar sign. This is the symbol of jQuery. Okay, we initialize jQuery by using dollar sign. So here you can see our jQuery is written. Okay, now here you can see various HTML pages are there. Okay, this is about HTML page. This is home and this is about HTML page. Okay, so let's begin with the editing. Okay, now we will start editing our index page, means our home page. Okay, this page. Okay, so we can, like, if we don't understand where the which contents are located. Okay, so you can also suppose you have to see this line. Okay, where it is present in our code. Okay, so we can inspect right click on it and go to inspect. You can, suppose I will make this bigger. Okay, so it is inside our container class site section, and from here you can see learning React Native. Okay, so we'll go to our site section. Here you can locate, here you can see our site section. Okay, and here you can see learning React Native. Okay, so from here you can guess the location where our contents are located, so you can edit them. Okay, so suppose this is a responsive website. See, when we like decrease the screen size, see, now these elements changes to block elements, means it takes the whole width. Now when we increase the size, now it is inline block CSS, inline block element. Okay, so you have to design it like that way. Okay, see, here you can see all the elements have changed to block elements. Now we will go to our index.html page. Okay, here you can see we have provided the font family. Okay, here we have used the railway family. Okay, font family. Here you can see Google font from, we have given this link from Google Fonts. Okay, so we have downloaded and given this link, and we have used our railway font family. Okay, here we have given our style.css, means I've used the fonts Icomoon and the brand fonts. Okay, now here Bootstrap and jQuery CSS is present here. Okay, and this is our main CSS, that is style.css. Okay, at the bottom here you can see our JS files are there. Okay, always keep your CSS files at top and your JS files at the bottom, because the JS should be rendered after the HTML. Okay, so here we have given our jQuery and the Bootstrap. Okay, all the links. See, this is main.js is our main.js file, so it is separated by a space. Okay, so now we will edit it. Okay, suppose you can see here the title is free website template by colorlib. You can see here tutor, and it is, the title is showing. Okay, here you can also change the title. Okay, here you can change it to demo site. Okay, suppose we have changed the title, and we'll save it and then we'll refresh it. See, now our title changes to demo site. Okay, suppose we will change this heading here. Okay, so this logo here, you can also insert a logo here, or you can also manually write the name of your website. Okay, here it is written tutor. Okay, you can give any name. Okay, suppose it is a web design website. Okay, so we can write here web design tutes. Okay, so we have given the title, site logo. Okay, okay, now we'll refresh it. See, now our logo changed to the web design tutes. Okay, so here in this text we have given a link. See, here when we point onto this text, the cursor changes to pointer, means this is a link. Okay, so here we have given ahref, this is the with the help of anchor tag, this a tag, we give the link to a particular text. Okay. So here we have used a href. Href is the attribute. Okay. Inside this, we provide the path to which this text will like redirect. Okay. Suppose here we have given index.html. So when we click onto this link here, it will be redirected to our index.html page. Okay. Suppose I will change it to about.html. Okay. And we'll save it. Now we'll refresh it. And now when we click onto this link, it will redirect to our about.html page. See the link here. Okay. It will be redirected to this particular link that we have given here. Okay. Now it is redirected to our about page. Okay. So here we have created about.html page. Okay. Then only this page is coming. Okay. Suppose we will give any random name. Okay. Suppose we will give about page.html. See, this page is not created here. Okay. Then what will happen? Suppose we will save it and we will refresh the page here. Okay. We will refresh the page here. Suppose we go to our index.html. Okay. Now we'll click onto this link. See, object not found because we have given a wrong address. Okay. This page is not there. Okay. So it is not redirecting it. We are redirected to this page and this page doesn't exist. Okay. So this is there is error 404 coming. Okay. So we'll change it to our index.html. Okay. Now we will go to our index.html page. And now when we click onto this, we are redirected to the same page, index.html page. Okay. Always keep, always give the logo link to the home page only. Okay. This is the like default page. Okay. This is the home page. Now we can here we have changed it into like bold. Okay, so here we have given a strong tag. Okay, bold and strong tag are similar in like when we like the layout is same of our html, bold and strong tag. Okay, only when the search engine crawls, it searches the strong tag first. Okay, then the bold tag. So always use strong tag. Okay, for making a text bold, so the search engine will crawl fast. Okay, so here is our title. Okay, header. So now you can also see the links here. Okay, so now I will adjust it. Okay, suppose so here we have the links, nav bars. Okay, so here we have given nav bar and then we have like inserted it in our ul unordered list and list items. Okay, so these some of the classes are bootstrap, means like bootstrap has given some of the default classes. Okay, so that we can use it. Okay, so here we have given home and we have given the link as index.html, means when we click onto this link it will redirect to our index.html page. Okay, here we can see li class equals to active. Okay, so in our css class here, in our css class we will search for our this active class. Okay, and let's see what styling is done. Okay, so we'll use a control F to search. We'll search for active. Okay, so you can see in suppose I will write dot active. Okay, now 10 options are coming. So here you can see inactive what styling we have done. Okay, so here you can see li dot active. Okay, so here you can see color is given, this color is given, and position relative is given. Okay, and these styling has been done in our active class. Okay, we'll go to here. You can see different styling is done on different elements. Okay, so here you can see this is the li, and in our li element our active class is added. Okay, so we'll search for li dot active. Okay, so this is the required selection. Okay, suppose we'll go below. So here you can see like, okay, so here these stylings are given to our active class. Okay, color is this and the position is relative. So here you can see the active page. When the active page is changing, this underline is going with the active page. Okay, so this is the symbol of the active page. Okay, and one here you can see we have given a class in anchor tag. Okay, class equals to nav link. Okay, so we'll see that nav link, and you can see here our nav link active is color is this. Okay, so you can search from here what styling is given to our class. Okay, so suppose here you can see in our tutorials text, it will be redirected to our tutorials.html page. Okay, so various links are provided here. Suppose we will give about this item at the at second position. Okay, after home. Okay, and we'll give our block element this li element after about li element. Okay, so now we have changed the position of our links. Okay, so we have saved it, and now we'll refresh it. Okay, so now our page links are shuffled. Okay, about first comes first, then blog, then tutorials, then testimonials. If we'll suppose go to our about page, now our this links are not shuffled because we haven't changed onto this page. Okay, here you can see when we click onto our about, we'll go to our about.html page. You can see the links are in that position only, in the default position only. So you have to change everything in every pages. Okay, step by step. So first we'll change in our index.html. You can also cut paste this. Okay, suppose we'll copy this and go to our about.html. Here you can see here in this class about.html class, here you can see in this list item active class is added because this is the active class here. Suppose we'll go to when we go to our block.html, in our block li items, this active class is added. Okay, so the selected page will have the active class. Okay, here when we go to our contact page, in this active class is added. In this list item, the active class is added. Okay, now we'll go to our index page. So we have shuffled our position here. Okay, now we'll come to our this heading part. Okay, so this here we have given our this heading here h1 tag. Okay, here you can also change the uh, image here, background image here. Okay, so you can also use see the background image here is hero.bg.jpg, that is in our images folder. Okay, see this is our hero. Okay, hero image. So we have given this image. You can also use any image here. Suppose I will use illustrator.png. Okay, suppose we have given this image. You can give any image here. Okay, suppose we'll try this image here. We have saved it and now we'll refresh it. Just a minute. So we have given our illustrator.png. Just a minute. Okay, we have given. Now we are okay. Now here we are changing it in our index.html page. Okay, and here we are located in our about page. Okay, so we have to go to our index.html page. Here you can see our background image has changed. Okay, always keep in mind that when you are changing on index.html, always head over to your index.html page. If you will go to any other page, your see your background image is same. Okay, so in order to see the difference, go to that selected page. So we'll change it back to the normal mode. Okay, that was hero. Okay, this we'll save it and we'll refresh it. So our the default background image is now present. Okay, now we will come to this learning React Native. Okay, so now we have our site section. Okay, this site section. Here you can see a image, then a tutorial heading. This is the like suppose this is the category. Okay, this is the heading and this is the content. Okay, here you can see a React logo is present and a JavaScript logo is present. Okay, so you can see it is a tutorial category. It is inside tutorial category. Here you can see this tutorial. When we click onto this link, this hash means the desired this selected page. Only this is the index.html page. So hash means it will scroll onto the top. When we click onto this link, see it will go onto the top. So this hash means the required location of that same page. Okay, it will scroll on to the top of the page. Okay, so here we have given the link of hash. Here learning React Native. When we click onto this learning React Native, same same thing will happen because here we have given hash as a link. Suppose I will change this link to this tutorial single. Okay. Suppose I will change it to tutorial single.html. Okay. Now we'll save it. We are changing it in our learning React native text. Okay. This link we are changing. Okay. Now we'll save it and we will refresh it. Now when we click onto this link, we are in our tutorial single.html. Okay. So we are now in this page. Okay. Because we have given this tutorial single page link here. So we'll head to our index.html. So here we'll also change it to hash. Okay. So here you can see some content here, that is lorem ipsum means this is the default text which VS Code provides. Okay. Just type lorem and hit tab. This paragraph will automatically be inserted here. Okay. So here you can see we have an image. Okay. Images rc equals to image1. Okay. So this is our image1. So suppose we'll in our images, this is the image1. Suppose we'll change it to image2. Okay. Now we'll save it, and now this is the default image. When we'll refresh it, our image will change here. Okay. So like this, you can change your image or change the text of your particular website. We'll change it to image1. Then we will scroll down. Okay. So here, suppose you are not getting this logo here. You are not seeing any logo here. Okay. So this is the logo span class equals to brand react. Okay. This is the class through which this logo is coming. Okay. Suppose we'll place the cursor here and we'll inspect it. Okay. See. Here you can see if we'll remove it with JavaScript. Now we'll hit enter. See, now our Java this React's logo or symbol has changed to JavaScript. Okay, so this class is providing us our logo or symbol. Okay, so you can use this use this text and provide your logo or anything. Okay, any symbol you can give. So you can select from here. Okay, suppose we'll go to our material icons. These are provided by Google. Okay, you can see various icons are provided here. You can also apply color to these icons. Okay, here if you want to insert this call icon, you can go to this, and here you can see class equals to material icons call. Okay, this call is the selected this call icon. Okay, so we can, if we change it to call end, then this symbol will come. So this span class equals to material icons. This is the default. Okay, only this name inside this span class is changing. Okay, inside here our class name is changing. Okay, according to that our icons or symbol is changing. Okay, this class MB0 is our uh, uh, bootstrap class. Okay, if we'll change this class, suppose we'll remove this class here, then we'll see what happens. Okay, suppose we'll see here, you can see, suppose we'll go to our bootstrap. Okay, here we'll go, you can see, we'll type which class is present, MB0 here. So we have given MB0 class here. Okay, so we'll search for MB0 dot MB0. Here you can see MB0 implies that margin bottom should be 0. Okay, here you can see MB means M means margin and B means bottom. Okay, so you have to give the class name according to the styling, so you can understand it clearly. Okay, here you can see margin top. Here we have given a bootstrap, or the template is given. This has given this class MT means margin top. Okay, so you can give the class name according to that. Okay, here you can see MB3 is margin bottom. Here the values are changing. So you can change your styling from here. Okay. Suppose you want the margin bottom to be 1 rem. So you can change the class here. Okay. Suppose here we'll change it to MB3. Okay. Like here it is MB3. The margin bottom is 1 rem. Okay. Suppose we'll save it. Now we'll refresh it, so that this margin bottom is now 0. Okay, now we'll save it. Okay, now our margin bottom should be 15 pixel. 1 rem is around 15 pixel to 16 pixel. Okay, see, now our margin bottom has increased. Okay, so you can go through these CSS. Okay, and you can change according to that. You can change the class. Okay, here you can also see MR2, MB2, all these are classes. Okay, see, MR3 means margin right 1 rem. Okay, so the styling is done according to these classes. You just have to provide the selected class here. Okay, so here you can see our date and time is present here. The duration of the course and the date. Okay, now we'll close this. Here you will notice one difference here. When we like when we are minimizing the screen size, this this thing here, this element is coming down here. Okay, when we'll increase the size, screen size, okay, then it will come adjacent to this element. Okay, so you have to style in that way. Okay, you have to keep in mind the responsive side also. First design it in mobile mode, then gradually come to the bigger screen size. Always start with small. Okay, it is a good practice, but you can also start from the bigger screen size to smaller screen size. Okay, but it is always good to, it is always preferable to like go from small screen sizes to big screen sizes. Okay, so we have covered till here. Okay, here you can see one thing. We have given call LG4. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about call MD, call LG. Okay, call ms. Okay, so we have discussed about all these classes. Okay, this LG means for large screens, and this 4 denotes it will change. It will like take the distance of about 4 halves. Okay, total this screen size total is 12 here. Okay, the bootstrap provides 12 screen size. Okay, suppose the default is the length is suppose 12, then it will take the 4 halves, and this particular thing will take 8 halves here. Okay, see here it has second 4 halves, and this first div it has taken call LG 8. Okay, suppose we'll shrink it. You can see all the things are inside this call LG 8, and all the things are inside call LG 4. Okay, so these elements are inside call LG 4, and these elements are inside call LG 8. Okay, so total is 12. Okay, so it will take the 8 halves and it will take the 4 halves. Okay, so you can also check it like this. Here you can also apply multiple classes to one div. Okay, here you can see multiple classes are present here. Okay, here you can see deflex, align item center, MB2. All classes are present only in one div. Okay, it is wrapped in like nested in divs. Okay, first we have separated it. Okay, we have given 4 halves, then we have given some more styling here, then we have given some more styling, then the image is coming here. Okay, so we have to wrap it inside many divs in order to style it. Okay, so this is our this space is our this element here. Okay, this 4 halves part. Okay, so you can see tutorial learning React Native, it is coming 3 times here. You can also see tutorial React Native is coming 3 times here. Okay, so this is our 4 halves part. Okay, now we'll come a slide this tutorial course choose course part. Okay, so this is we'll wrap it inside our site section. Okay, suppose we'll close it, then you can see it closes all the parts from 141 to 192. So this site section is covering all these parts from 141 to 192. Okay, so we have started with our tutorial courses. See this tutorial courses category. Now then we have given a heading of choose course. Then we have given various options here. Okay, various courses: Illustrator, Photoshop, Shop, Angular, JavaScript. Okay, various courses are present here. So we have distributed. Suppose here how many courses are there? Suppose 6 courses are there. Okay, so total Bootstrap is providing 12 halves. Okay, so in order to divide it into 6 halves, we have to give 2 halves to a particular course. Okay, suppose we are giving this half this course 2 halves, 2 halves, and 2 halves, and 2 halves to all the course. So total will be 12. Okay, so same thing we have done here is we have separated it by call LG2. Okay, we have given a class of call LG2. See, you can see Illustrator, Photoshop, Shop, all are divided into 2 halves. Okay, so you can give this class. Here you can see in all the courses we have given a link, our href attribute property as hash. Okay, so when we click onto this link here, okay, when we click onto this link, we'll go to in the top of our page, because we have given a hash link. So this use of hash link is it will scroll to the top of the page. Okay, in the same page. So 6 courses have been provided here. Okay, so you can also see a hover effect is applied on every course. Okay, so we have designed it like that way. Suppose for seeing that hovering effect, we'll go to our class course. Suppose we'll search our course class. Okay, course over. Okay, so you can see when we are hovering onto that particular course, it is giving its opacity increases. Okay, so here you can see when we are hovering onto that particular image, the background changes to a different color and box shadow is changing to different color. Okay, and the H3 color is now changing to black. Okay, see the color changes to this font color changes to black. Okay, and a box shadow appears and the background color is also changing. Okay, so three styling properties we have done on hovering onto the particular element. Okay, now we'll go to our index.html page. So till here we have covered everything till this course. Okay, then our this section is coming, search section, and here you can share it with the Facebook link, Twitter link, or LinkedIn link. Okay, so here comes another section. Okay, see we have wrapped everything in a section. Okay, so in order to differentiate every part, you have to wrap it inside a section, so it will be easy to understand. So here first we have a search box. Okay, there is an input box. Here the placeholder is search subjects, and then a search button is present here. Okay, so we are starting the site section from here, and then this is our input box. Okay, see our input box is there. So we have a placeholder of search subjects. This is here you can see search subjects. When we click, suppose type anything, this placeholder will be removed. Okay, so this is the use of placeholder. You can also use a different placeholder. Okay, suppose search courses. Okay, I'll save it and I will refresh it. See now our placeholder has changed. Okay, here input box is present here. You can also give a button here, or you can also give a input box. Okay, so this is wrapped inside our form. Okay, form class. Okay, so this our whole search is present inside our form. Okay, when we will click onto this search option, it will send it to a server and the response will be sent from a server. Okay, then we will have a share option. Okay, see here three different links are provided. One is Facebook, another is Twitter, and then is LinkedIn. Okay, with the help of this span class equals to icon Facebook, this is the symbol. Okay, symbol name icon Facebook. If we will change to another name, it will be this symbol will or icon will change to another icon. Okay, so here we have given href attribute as hash, means when we click onto this link, it will scroll to the top of the page. Okay, see here you can give your website Facebook ID, Twitter Facebook ID, or LinkedIn Facebook ID. Okay, so according to that you can give your selected links. Here you can give the path to your website, okay, the address to your website. So here you can see, here we have divided the both the this share part and this search part, we have divided equally, okay, because we have given all LG6 means 6 will divide it into two equal halves, okay, all LG6 and all LG6. See, this div and this div is the same line, means here this div is closing and another div is opening. So the indentation is very important for understanding when you are writing long code. Okay, here we'll see by inspecting it. Here you can see this call LG6 is taking the half the width of the particular page. Okay, here you can see this LG6 is taking the half part and this is taking the half part because we have mentioned the 6. Suppose I will change it to 4. So we'll press enter and see. Now our this div is taking only the 4 space part. Okay. So we have divided it equally into 6 halves. Okay. Sorry, 2 halves by providing the all LJ6. So we have given 3 links here. You can also give the required address to your particular website. Suppose you don't have Facebook ID of your particular website, so you can remove this. Okay, suppose I will remove this. I will refresh it. Now our Facebook link or icon has gone. Okay, so you can give the link according to your choice. Now we will go to this section here, tutorial section. Okay, here you can see we have started with our row, then we have taken the whole width. Okay, tutorials. Okay, so we have given the call 12 here. Okay, so we have given H2S tutorials and we have taken the whole width. Here we have taken the 12 part. Okay, means the whole part. Here we have distributed down here. We have distributed it into like it is 75% and it is 25%. Okay, so for that we have to provide this is taking the 8 halves and this is taking the 4 halves here. Okay, so according to that you can give the class name. Here we have given 8 means it will take the 75% space, and here where it is, suppose I will go here, you can also see it is taking call LG4 means it will take, see, this part here is taking 25% space. Okay, so we'll see this part here first. Learning React Native, it is same as this here. Okay, so first our course is, course name is there, then content, then the icon, and then these like duration of the course and the date, and it is coming in advance. Okay, so advanced. One extra thing is added here, that is view button. Okay, let's see this view button. When we click onto this view button, it will go to our this page, tutorial single.html page. Okay, suppose when we click onto this button, see, now our page has changed, that is tutorial single.html. Okay, now this page has opened. Okay, so you have to give the selected address here, okay, to which you want to redirect your page to. Okay, so like that there are various items present here. in index.html, learning Angular, learning Photoshop, advanced Illustrator. When we click on every page, okay, this click on particular button, every page, every button will redirect to your this tutorial single.html page. Okay, you can see every button is taking us to tutorial single.html page. Okay, so till here we are getting this our this four courses here. Advanced Illustrator. Okay, you can see Advanced Illustrator. It is the last. Okay, now here comes pagination. This pagination here. Now we are onto our second page. So second page option is coming here. Okay, you can see when we go to our second page, no links are present in our second page. Okay, so see, 5 pages are there. We are in our second page. Suppose we'll go to our about page. It will not show blog page, home page, tutorial page, tutorials page. Here we are in our second page. Okay, you will not able to see. Suppose from here we'll inspect it. You can see here. You can see your this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, this is the second, and this is the first. The second is active here because we have styled it in that way. Okay, we haven't given any href attribute in here, so we have designed it in that way. Okay, so it is visible. Now I'll close this, and now we'll come to this. This is the same. Here we have given an image and the particular topic of that course. Okay, here you can see 3 learning React Native is present. Okay, so this is the this part. Okay, so it is divided into 4 halves, means it is taking the 25% width of the whole width. Now we have another section. Okay, that is review section. Here you can see this is wrapped inside our student review section. Okay, then here we have given student reviews, and then it is this thing is wrapped inside a row. Okay, so it is wrapped inside a row. Here we have given 3 columns, 1 2 3. So we have given a call lg4, means the total is 12, the 12 by 4 is 3, so we have divided into 3 halves. So we have given a topic title here, excellent teacher, best video tutorial and easy to understand. Okay, inside that we have given our rating icon. Okay, you can see icon here. So for like filling these stars, we are using this icon star. Okay, only icon star. Okay, and when we are not filling this star, okay, then we are using icon star O. Okay, so this is the icon you will get in your icons page. Okay, icons website. So if you want to like give 3 stars or 4 stars, 3 stars support, so we'll also here give O onto this class. Now we have 3 stars and 2 empty stars. Okay, we'll save it and we'll refresh it. See, now we have 3 filled stars and 2 empty stars. Okay, so now we have a image here, and then the this person's name and the designation. So here we are getting the name of that particular image of that particular author. Here image is there and the author name is there and the designation is present here. Okay, so this column is over. Now come to this column. Okay, same thing is present. We have to start this with our call LG4 here. So this is wrapped inside our row. All this is wrapped inside our row. So we will start with another call LG4. Okay, so we will provide the same content here. Okay, so we will provide the three contents here. See, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So here we have divided it into three columns. Okay, now come at bottom here. Okay, so we have about us, quick links, resources, support, and company. Okay, so here we have our footer. Okay, this is called footer. This whole thing is comes inside our footer page. Okay, so we'll wrap inside our footer. Okay, so first is our about us page. Okay, so here we have taken call LG3. Why? Because it is taking 3 halves width. You can see this is separate here. Okay, we have taken this thing separate here. We have taken the whole. Suppose we have taken the 3 halves width here. So suppose 9 halves is present. So this 4 links, 4 title topics are covered inside our 9 halves part. Okay, so we have taken the 3 halves part here. So we have given call LG3, then we have provided about us page, and then the description about that, and then there are links provided. Okay, so these are the links. See, here you can change the icon. Okay, suppose we'll change it to Facebook once again. Okay, we'll change it to Facebook. So our last icon is now Facebook. Okay, so first and last is our Facebook. So you can change the class name and the icon will be changed. Okay, so our 4 links have been provided here. Okay, now here we have taken 3 halves part. Okay, so here see this call LG8. When we enclose this, see 442 to 485, it is covering up to 485. Okay, when we will see this 485 is ending here. Okay, so it is covering all our 4 topics: quick links, resources, support, and company. Means this 8 part here. This 8 part is covering all the 4 topics. Okay, so we have to divide it into 2 halves in order to divide it equally. Okay, so here we have taken call LG 8. Okay, here it will, suppose I will give call LG 9. Okay, because we have taken call LG 3 and remaining is call LG 9. Okay, suppose we'll refresh it. See, now it is shifted in at left. Okay, so it is now taking the 9 half space. Okay, so we have given call LG3. Suppose here now it is taking 9 half space, so we have to separate it according to that. Okay, this 9 half part is now 12 half part to this 4 div. Okay, sorry. Where are we? Okay, here we have the 9 part. Okay, this means that this area is now different and this area is now different. Okay, now it is taking the 12 uh, columns. Okay, so we will separate according to that. Okay, if we'll if we will separate it in equal halves, we have to suppose here we have, suppose we will give four halves, four columns here. So we have to provide 3 3 3 3. So it will divide it into four columns. Here we have taken 3 halves here and 8 halves here. Okay, so we don't have to give all LG2. Okay, so it will separate it into 8 halves. We have to separate it into 12 halves because now this is different. This is taking a new column here. Okay, so it will start from 12. Okay, so in order to separate it into 4 columns, we have to give 3 halves, 3 halves, 3 halves in order to divide it equally. Okay, so here we have quick links, resources, support, and company, and inside that various list items are provided. Okay, in these list items we have provided the hash link, means it will move to the top. Okay, when we click onto suppose any of the links, it will move on to the top of the page. Okay, so there are 4 topics here. Okay, and in the footer section at the bottom we have this. Okay, this template is made with copyright. Okay, so we can also change this. Suppose we will remove this template is made with heart by color lib. Okay, so we'll remove this. Suppose we have to remove this. Here you can see in color lib, when we click onto this color lib, you can see this is a link because a pointer cursor is appearing here. So here it is providing its website address http.colorlib.com. Okay, when we click onto this color lib, it will open the color lib site here. Okay, so suppose we have to remove it, so we will just remove it and save it, and we'll refresh it. So now this copyright text is appearing here. Okay, because we have this only. Okay, in order to get the, you can also like type it static in a static way. Here we have used the JavaScript way, then only it will be coming, this year will come in a dynamic way. Means if there will be 2020 present, then 2020 will be present here. If the year will be 2021, then the year will change automatically. Means it is coming dynamically. Here we have used the date function here. Here you can see we have written it inside our script tag. Means it is a JavaScript code. Okay, so we have written document.write. Inside this we have written new date dot get full year. Okay, so we have, using the get full year method, we are getting the year. Suppose we'll replace this get full year and we'll only use new date. See what will come. Okay, nothing is coming. Okay, so you can use, suppose we will use a date, sorry, here you have to close it. Now we'll save it. See, all the date time is coming here. So you just have to select, want to select the, extract the year part. Okay, so we are extracting it with the help of get full year method. Okay, with the help of this method. Okay, we can also extract the time and this here, this date and time. Okay, so in this way we can design our HTML page. So we have, in this tutorial we have like designed or just we have changed some things. Okay, so in our HTML page only. Okay, index page only. So in the later tutorial we'll go in our about page. Okay, different pages, and we'll design it and we'll learn some more things. Okay. So for this lecture, I will end here only. Okay, I will discuss later in the next tutorial.